I'm wearing a dream catcher on my ear today because apart from getting only good dreams, I also want good vibes, thumbs ups and positive comments. And let's see if this superstition is gonna work out because I'm all about positivity. Hey, and back another episode of Anisha Talks in the new year of 2016. And yes, all of you guys must be thinking, finally she's uploading the How to Attract Girls do's. About time. That video which every guy out there was waiting for eagerly since 2015. Alright, it wasn't really a year, but it just sounds cool. And yes, sometimes it's better to wait for something even longer to make the surprise even bigger. But that doesn't go for any pizza deliveries. I want them pizzas fast and on time, okay? Anyway, so in my previous video of how to attract girls don'ts, I told you guys the things you shouldn't be doing when attracting a girl. And click right here if you want to watch that video first. But in today's video, I'm finally gonna tell you guys the things you should be doing, the do's. But before I get into it, I want all my Ricksters out there to give this video a thumbs up and some Rickster love for all-time support. And once you've done that, button up your shirt, take off those show-off sunglasses and let's go. Number 1, personality. You know when you guys say you have to be a dashing personality, you guys get it completely wrong. Dashing doesn't mean Sunil Shetty's banyan look. Hi Daya! Dashing actually is a guy who is smart, has a great sense of humor, is well read, is perceptive, has common sense and also has a sense of direction of where his life is heading and can talk to a girl other than giving her blind compliments. Seems I have no sense of direction. That means I have no dashing personality. Number 2, be yourself. In today's world, it is so tough to be yourself because everybody like your papa, mummy, kaka, kaki, uncle, auntie, nana, nani, doba, dobi, kutta, kutti tell you to be everything else but yourself. I have a pigeon right now watching me. There is a pigeon right there. He's here and is my audience and judging me that my jokes ain't funny. Laugh. Laugh, pigeon, laugh. Laugh now. Okay, he's not laughing. Anyways, let's leave all of that. So what do I mean to be yourself? Basically, don't brag about something way over the top. Like if you saw SRK on the street, don't tell people you actually met him and went with him to a party. Hi Daya! Be real and not a show off. Girls won't fall for that, and if you're not genuine and don't mean what you say, the girl is eventually gonna find out. And thanks to shows like Bigg Boss and Emotional Atyachar, all the liars have been exposed. Hi Liga Bim Bam! So if you lie and things go forward, it eventually is gonna come back to you and bite you back. Ow! I bit myself. Ooh, that hurts. Ow! Number 3, be nice. If you're wise, be nice and don't think twice. Otherwise, you're gonna slip on banana slice. Wow! I just came up with this original quote all by myself. Laugh, pigeon, laugh. Man, I'm so smart. Now I'll definitely make it one day to the Brainy Quote website. Yes! Anyways, as much as magazines say girls want bad boys, we actually don't. What girls actually like is point number 1 and 2. And if you're nice as well, that's a total 6er. Wow, I just went full cricket on this. But to tell you the truth, there are actually not enough nice people out there. And if a girl actually meets a guy who is nice and means it, that's like a breath of fresh air. And now I need some air. I need to comb my hair. You teddy bear. Wow, what a rhyme! I just made another quote. Talk diya. So don't be a bandar and taste the thunder. And now give this video a thumbs up. And that reminds me of I actually want a thumbs up. Number 4, well groomed. And with that, I don't mean you to become a groom immediately. Hi Liga Bim Bam, such a bad joke. Laugh pigeon, laugh. You don't need to look like John Abraham out of a magazine because guess what? They have a magic app called Photoshop which makes them look amazing. But that doesn't mean you should look like an ape. Laugh pigeon, laugh. Wow, I just impersonated an ape. Anyway, so what I mean with that is you need to be able to dress well, smell good without smelling like you just came out of a perfume factory. Remember, you are human, not a scent machine. Are you my scent machine? Okay, I'm done for now. And remember, once you are well groomed, you eventually turn into a groom. How about that? Thok diya. Number 5. Respect, integrity and honesty. RESTECP. Wait, did I just misspell respect wrong? Anyways, if you want to get respect pa, you better give your girl respect pa. Who are you if you don't have respect pa and integrity? By the way guys, this is stolen from Ali G. It's not my own. I found a hair. It fell from my head and I'm losing it. Bye hair. I've gone crazy. If you don't have it yourself, how can a girl respect by you? And don't ever use bad language or cheap words in front of her, because that will not only put you into the bhai zone, that will directly transport you into the Turkey zone. Hi Daya! Even at the end of DDLJ, although Shah Rukh Khan lied and was dishonest, he could redeem himself and could win back Amrish Puri's respect by becoming honest and maintained his integrity by not running away with Kajol. Hi Daya, रुला दिया ना, जा रिक्शा जा, जी ले अपनी जिंदगी. Laugh pigeon, laugh. So this was it guys. These are my 5 points of do's of how to attract girls. But again, these 5 points are not a guarantee that it'll actually work. Just like Rohit Shetty movies, you simply cannot apply the same crap to all of your movies. You need to spice it up a little sometimes here and there, you know, and also be a little creative sometimes. No pun intended. Laugh pigeon, laugh. And of course, most importantly, luck is involved as well. So all the best for all the guys out there, and let me know in the comment section below which tips worked out for you guys or which didn't. And for the girls out there, do give the guys some more tips of what they should be doing and write it in the comment section below. And let's make this comment section a dating advisory board. And I shall see you next time again. Bye-bye! Thank you so much for watching this video, sending all of my Ricksters many love punches out there. And if you like this video and if I could help you even a little bit, please do give this video a thumbs up to give me some Rickster love. And of course, share this video to share this knowledge all around, and subscribe to my channel by clicking down here if you're not a subscriber yet, because I make videos every Tuesday and Friday and you don't want to miss out on any of my videos. And अगर तुम सब करोगे, सब ठीक हो जाएगा. I found a hair. It fell from my head and I'm losing it. Bye hair. See you, it was so nice having you on my head. I've gone crazy. Laugh pigeon, laugh.